If you're planning to buy an air fryer this year, don't buy a small one blindly because most people regret getting a 4 or 6 liter model once they start cooking for family. Today we are reviewing the Solara 12L air fryer oven 1800 watt OTG style air fryer. This claims to replace your OTG, toaster and even reduce oil usage by 85%. Let's see if this is actually worth Rs 8,299. Let's start with the engineering. This is powered by a 1800 watt rapid air convection system. Inside, there's a high power heating element, a fast circulation fan, a controlled airflow chamber. Hot air rotates at high speed around the food. This creates even heat distribution and surface crisping. Unlike deep frying, where oil transfers heat, here hot air is the medium. That's why you get up to 85% less oil usage. It's basically controlled convection physics combined with digital temperature control. Now let's talk size. This is a 12 liter double XL model. That means whole chicken roasting, 10-inch pizza, multiple snack trays, cooking for 4 to 6 people in one batch. It has a 3-tier rack system. So instead of cooking in batches, you can cook everything together. For families, this makes a huge difference. It comes with a LED touch panel and 12 preset cooking modes. You can air fry, bake, grill, roast, reheat. Each preset is pre-programmed with optimized temperature and time mapping. So even if you're a beginner, you just tap and cook. No manual temperature guesswork. You get 9 premium accessories included. These are made of food grade stainless steel for rotisserie and racks, proprietary silk material for the bake tray. The build feels sturdy and solid, not flimsy, and the rotisserie setup is perfect for chicken grilling. Now this is where Solara stands out. The bake tray uses silk technology, which is PFAS free, PFOA free, PFOS free, lab certified by TUV Sood. They conducted a 289-point safety screening. 61 PFAS chemicals were not detected. 8 heavy metals passed testing. That means no harmful chemical leaching at high heat. In today's time, that's a major safety advantage. In practical use, fries turn crispy, paneer gets golden edges, chicken roasts evenly, baking is consistent, preheating is fast because of 1800 watt power. Cleaning is easier compared to traditional ovens. MRP is Rs 12,999. Current price is Rs 8,299 with no cost EMI options available. For a 12-late family-sized air fryer oven with premium accessories and certified safety, this is strong value for money. If you cook regularly and want healthier meals, this is more of a kitchen upgrade than just an appliance. I'll see you in the next product review. Until then, bye.